Alright, so today in class for this assignment, I'm gonna be talking about my favorite website, favorite place to watch videos, and it's YouTube. Reason why I like YouTube because it has music, has sports, has some of the best athletes on here, has a lot of things, great commercials. It's productive. And I think that it's a good way to figure out things.
This game for me.
See?
Yeah, bro, I'm from this game. This game for me.
A lot of things on here, you know?
How long do you think I left my head?
Yeah, YouTube is one of my favorite channels and things to watch stuff on. Highlights of some of my favorite NBA players, Giannis, LeBron. It's a lot of good highlights on here. But yeah, my other favorite website is Netflix. One of my favorite shows, 7 Seconds. Star Wars, The Clone Wars, Gritty Game, More Than a Game documentary with LeBron James in it. It's a lot of good shows on here that you can watch with your friend, your cousin, your family, a lot of people. So that's why Netflix is one of my other favorite favorite places to watch stuff on. Alright. Alright, have to stretch. But bro, ain't nobody talking to you, bro. Shut up. I'm trying to record. Oh, YouTube, Facebook. Last but not least.
Or yes, movies. Alright, guys, here I'm going to talk about.
Last but not least, my last favorite.
Yeah, yes, movies.
Last but not least, my favorite other website to watch stuff on is Yes Movies. Got all the movies on here, you know, series, a lot of things on here, you know. So yeah, that's why Yes Movies is one of my other favorite things to watch things on. But yeah, there goes my presentation. Thanks.